What is up, guys? Long time no see. Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a really quick video about a video on Amazon self-publishing, Kindle publishing. Just checked out this recent interview done by Emeka Osai and my new friend Ollie Oliver Al Gore. Ollie is one of our members from last August, starting out in my self-publishing blueprint. He published his first book in August of last year, made $20 for the month, and fast forward to now, following the course guidelines and all the procedures and just shooting the questions back and forth within the mastermind group that we've got. He's now making $13,000 per month passively off of Amazon self-publishing. Just getting up there with books that he hasn't even written, uploading it onto the Amazon platform, and passively making a full-time income where he doesn't even work a day job. He's literally a guy from the UK just bouncing around different countries in Asia, living the life, you know, just living the dream of having absolute financial freedom and getting to see lots of cool stuff while he's still young, while making money online. Like, it's so surreal. So check this interview out. There's going to be a part two, I believe, this Friday from Emeka, and stay tuned. Follow me. I'll be getting out a few series of videos at least until next week. I'm going to try to be more consistent with getting videos out daily. Keep watching my videos daily. On Friday, I'm going to have a special exclusive bonus for you. Can't say much right now. It's still going to be a secret, but stay tuned. Watch my videos every day, and on Friday, I'm going to have a special bonus for you. Thanks.